In previous lecture we studied about the coordination number. In this lecture we will study about the packing fraction. Packing fraction is nothing but the ratio of volume of atoms occupying the unit cell to the total volume of the unit cell relating to that the structure. It is nothing but the packing fraction. In simple, packing fraction is in particular one unit cell how atoms are packed. Okay, it is nothing but the packing fraction. And for the calculation of packing fraction we have the formula. We can say it PF in short. Okay, here we can see formula number of atoms in unit cell. We have calculated that. Okay, and into volume of each atom divided by volume of unit cell. Okay, so we will see in one by one in simple cubic, in body centered and in face centered. Okay, in simple cubic we can simply here SC. In simple cubic, for the simple cubic PF is, but for the calculation of packing fraction we know about the volume of each atom. Okay, we know that the volume of unit cell, because these three are the cubic unit cell or cubic system. So for the cubic system the total volume of unit cell is A cube. Okay, so A is equal to B is equal to C. In that all we can say all edges are equal in that unit cell. So volume of total unit cell is A cube, but we have to know about the volume of each atom. Okay, so we know that atom is like a sphere. So volume of sphere is, we can simply here V, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, we all know that this r is the radius of atom. We have calculated that for simple cubic. What is the radius of atom for simple cubic? It is A by 2. So we can put this value in that V. So 4 by 3 pi, what is r cube? R is A by 2 cube. Okay, 4 by 3 pi A cube divided by 8. So we have here, so pi A cube divided by 6 simply. What is this? This is the volume of each unit cell. Okay, volume of each atom. Okay, so if we put this value in this formula we will get packing fraction of simple cubic unit cell. So we have total, or we can write here PF simply. Okay, what is the number of atom in unit cell for simple cubic? We have calculated that in previous lecture. You can see that. So atom per unit cell for the simple cubic is 1. There are 1 number of atom per unit cell in simple cubic. So volume of each atom here pi A cube divided by 6, or what is the total volume of unit cell is A cube. So simply here pi A cube divided by 6 A cube. Okay, simply we can write A cube get cancelled and we have PF is equal to pi by 6. If we calculate this value we will get 0.52 value. Okay, you can calculate this. This is a 0.52, and if we consider or if we write in the percentage, there is 52% atomic packing fraction of the simple cubic. We will see for the BCC. In BCC we have to calculate volume of each atom. We know that volume of each atom 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, what is r? R is radius, and for BCC radius of atom is r is root 3 divided by 4a. Okay, this is the value of r. So we can put this value in this formula. 4 by 3 pi root 3 divided by 4a cube. Okay, we have 4 by 3 pi 3 into root 3 divided by 16a cube. This is the value of 4 by 3 pi, sorry here 64. The cube of 4 is 64. We can simply write here, we can cut here directly. So here is 16, this 3 it cancel. So here pi root 3 divided by 16 into a cube. Here this is the value of volume of each atom. Okay, so we can put this value in this formula. We know that number of atoms in unit cell for the BCC is 2. There are 2 number of atoms per unit cell. So PF is equal to 2 into volume is pi root 3 16 a cube. This whole divided by volume of unit cell is a cube. Here a cube it cancelled. 2 here 8 and pi root 3 divided by 8. So PF is equal to, if we can calculate, we will calculate this value. This is a 0.68, and if we write in percentage, the PF or packing fraction of BCC is 68%. Okay. Now for FCC, atomic packing fraction, we have to calculate volume of each atom. There are 4 atoms per unit cell. Okay, so radius of the atom for FCC is R is a to root 2. We have calculated that. Okay, so volume of each atom is 4 by 3 pi. What is R? R is a to root 2 cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi a cube divided by 8, and value of root 2 is 2 root 2. Okay, so we have 4 by 3 pi a cube divided by 16 root 2. We can simply write here, and here we can cut 4 fourths. Okay, so pi by 3 a cube divided by 4 root 2. Okay, we have value of volume of each atom. Okay, if we put this value in this formula, we have PF is equal to number of atoms in unit cell. For FCC, there are 4 atoms per unit cell. Okay, so we can write here 4 into volume of each atom is pi by 3 a cube 4 root 2 whole divided by volume of unit cell is a cube. We can simply here calculate here a cube get cancel, and 4 get cancelled. So pi divided by 3 root 2. This is the PF. If we calculate this value, we will get 0.74. And if we write in percentage, PF or packing fraction of FCC face centered cubic is 74%. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.